Reinforcement learning (RL) might seem complex, filled with formulas and difficult algorithms. However, its fundamental principle is actually quite simple, and this video will demonstrate that. Take a look at the diagram on the screen. Imagine an agent as a new player entering a game without knowing how to play. It can try various actions without knowing which ones are the best. But don't worry, throughout the process, each time the agent takes an action, it receives feedback from the environment. If the action is beneficial, it receives a reward; if not, it gets a penalty. By experimenting multiple times, the agent gradually identifies which actions yield the best outcomes. This process is called learning. Over time, the agent doesn't just memorize effective actions but also stores them in an experience log, which could be a Q table or a more advanced structure like a neural network. Thanks to this experience log, the agent no longer needs to rely on trial and error. Instead, it can look up past knowledge to make faster and more informed decisions. Now, how does the agent use the Q table after learning? Let's analyze the diagram again. The first step is state recognition, meaning the agent must observe the current state and classify it appropriately. For example, if the agent is a cleaning robot, it may recognize that it is in the corner of the room and there is trash to clean. Once the state is identified, the agent consults the Q table, searching for the best action recorded in similar situations. Based on the Q table, the agent selects the optimal action and executes it. In this case, the robot may decide to move toward the trash and clean it. By doing this, instead of randomly trying actions like before, the agent can now make fast and accurate decisions. In summary, reinforcement learning is similar to how humans improve skills in any domain. At first, you don't know the best approach, so you try different methods. Each attempt gives you feedback, either success or failure. Through repeated trials, you gradually build an experience base, helping you react effectively in different scenarios. When facing a new challenge, instead of experimenting from scratch, you can simply refer to your past knowledge and choose the most effective solution. This is how RL agents learn and make smarter decisions over time. I hope this video has given you a clearer perspective on reinforcement learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more RL content.